Hey, be honest with me for a second. Have you ever checked your bank account at the end of the month and felt your stomach drop? You had money, you earned it, but somehow it just vanished. No big vacation, no fancy purchase. It just disappeared into thin air. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly why that keeps happening. And trust me, once you see it, you can never unsee it. Let's talk about why you're always broke. Most people believe they're broke because they don't earn enough money. So they think the solution is simple. Just earn more, get a raise, work harder. But here's the problem. Studies show that when people earn more money, their spending increases by almost the exact same amount. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is silently destroying your finances. You get a raise, you upgrade your phone, you move to a bigger apartment, you eat at better restaurants, and at the end of the month, still zero in the bank. The income went up, but so did everything else. So where exactly does the money actually go? There are three major money leaks that drain most people's accounts every single month. Money leak number 1. Subscriptions you forgot about. Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, that meditation app you downloaded in January, the gym membership you stopped using in February. Each one feels small, maybe $5, maybe $15. But add them all up and you could be losing over $200 every single month on things you barely use. Money leak number 2, convenience spending. This one is sneaky. It's the coffee you grab every morning instead of making it at home. It's ordering food delivery because cooking felt like too much effort. It's the Uber instead of public transport. None of these feel like big decisions in the moment. But over 30 days, convenience spending can cost you $300 to $500 that you never even noticed leaving. Money leak number 3. No budget, no plan. This is the biggest one. Most people spend first and save whatever is left over. But here's the truth. When you spend first, nothing is ever left over. The people who build wealth do the opposite. They save first, they invest first, then they live on what remains. It sounds simple, but almost nobody actually does it. So how do you fix this? 3 steps, simple ones. Step 1. Do a subscription audit this weekend. Open your bank statement, go through every single charge. Cancel everything you haven't used in the last 30 days. Step 2. Set a weekly spending limit for convenience purchases. Give yourself a number, stick to it. Step 3. Use the pay yourself first rule. The moment your salary arrives, move a fixed amount straight into savings before you spend a single rupee on anything else. These 3 steps won't make you rich overnight, but they will stop the bleeding. And stopping the bleeding is always the first step toward building real wealth. If this helped you, make sure you subscribe because every week, this little monkey is going to teach you one more thing that your school never did. See you in the next one.